This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to Leaders Road. This is Will. I'm inside Connect United, and during this video, I want to show you one of the many companies inside this ecosystem. If you don't know what is Connect United, well, this is a platform that was released a couple of years ago. It's all about innovation, it's all about blockchain, it's all about software, and how we can help all these companies to put their message out there with the help of this technology. All of these companies are offering products, are offering services, are offering solutions to real-life problems. We can be part of that solution by helping them to run the software. They call that software nodes. These nodes are like mini computers. We only need to host them in order to build a network. In return, we're gonna get some rewards in the form of tokens. Later on, we can switch those tokens into different cryptocurrencies. We are not allowed to talk about the expected returns. What we can tell you is that Connect United is an amazing opportunity with a lot of potential. All of these companies are running their own tokens, their own nodes. Some of those started at a very low price. Right now, they are positioning those nodes in over $8,000, just like this one. It's called Switch Smart Node. Today, we're gonna dive into this company. In my following videos, I'm going to present the other opportunities, but today we're going to focus only on this one. The cost of this node at the present moment is $8,950. But what are they doing? What is this company offering and why the value of this node is so high? Well, I have a video right here. It's going to explain what is Switch, how all of this is working, and how we can get involved. It's a very short video, but after that, I'm going to come back with more important information.
Right now, Switch is building a worldwide blockchain-based financial services ecosystem. And if that sounded like total gibberish, well then this video was made just for you. Let me explain with a simple analogy. Think back to when cell phones were first invented. Long before you could pull a phone out of your pocket and make a call, the cell phone companies had to build the network with thousands of cell towers. Have you ever thought about how they actually did that? How did they go from 0 cell towers to the point where they now have coast-to-coast coverage? Well, they needed land. Thousands and thousands of tiny plots of land to put their cell towers. A massive percentage of land throughout the world is owned by farmers, people who rely on this land for their livelihood. But the cell phone companies didn't need the whole farm. They just needed a fraction of it. So, they proposed a partnership with those farmers. If the farmer agreed to let them put a tower on their land, the company would reward the farmers by paying them each month. They then connected all the thousands of towers across the country, and that's how the network was built. Okay, but what do cell towers have to do with Switch? Right now, Switch is actively building a global network to provide money solutions for a changing world. But in order to do that, they first need to build a network of their own. Not of cell towers, but of computers. Just like the computer in your home right now. When connected together on the internet, all running the same software, this chain of computers linked together all across the world is referred to as a blockchain. Now, each of these computers on the blockchain are referred to as nodes. The node software that runs the blockchain takes up just a fraction of a computer's power. Anyone who owns a computer can turn it into a blockchain node simply by downloading and running this node software. Just like the farmers are incentivized for allowing cell companies to host a tower on their property, people who help grow the Switch network by running the node software license on their computers will also get rewarded in the form of Switch digital rewards. To learn more about hosting a Switch node and participating in the Switch blockchain, talk to the person who sent you this video or go to switchrewardcard.com.
So there you go, that's exactly how it works. The way to get started is simple. We just select the number of nodes that we want to purchase. We click in checkout and follow the steps. I have a full guide showing how to do all of this, how to register, how to set up your account, how to host the nodes 24/7. I'm going to put that guide right here in the top corner. By the way, there is a promotion still available if you go for the Win Smart Notes. This one is attached to the referral system. But if you don't want to invite anyone here, don't worry. You're still gonna take advantage of the passive side. The cost of this node is 2,000, but check it out. If I select one, then you're gonna see this link. And if you click here, it's going to reveal 4 different coupons. Each one of those is going to have a 1,500 discount. So instead you pay 2,000. If I apply this one, I'm only going to pay 500. Still, if you pay 2,000, then in that case, you can apply for the 4 coupons. And now instead of one node, you're gonna have 4. Follow the steps. You need to check if that link is still here. I think they mentioned somewhere it's going to be available for 90 days. There was also another important announcement. A couple of weeks ago, they released 2 nodes. That one is called Rev and Rally at a price of 2,500. You can find those ones right here. Rally and Rev at 2,500. But soon, the price is going to increase. Due to the number of smart nodes already sold, we anticipate the price increase will be significant. So if you want to get any of those 2 nodes at this price, 2,500 in pre-sale, you still have until the 12th of April. After the 12th of April, the price is going to increase. So there you go, guys. That's all the information that I have for you today. If you want to see the results of some of the members, or if you need any help to get started, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you so much for your company. I hope you found some value here. This was the introduction of Switch, one of the companies inside the Connect United ecosystem. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you in the next one.